How to program wireless remote fob for Toyota cars. Step 1. Check the compatibility list in the description area below. This method only works on some older models of Toyota cars listed below. Unfortunately, on the newer Toyota models, this self-programming feature is no longer available. You will have to use a different, more advanced method. If that's the case, check out my other video about that. Step 2. Try entering programming mode on your car. You can verify whether or not this method works on your car even before you buy a new remote fob. Go to your car right now and follow these steps to test the programming mode. Remove the key from the ignition cylinder. Leave the driver's door open and unlocked while keeping all other doors closed. Within 5 seconds or less, insert the key in the ignition and then take it out 2 times. Within 40 seconds or less, close and then open the driver's door 2 times. Insert the key in the ignition and then take it out. Within 40 seconds or less, close and then open the driver's door 2 times. Insert the key into the ignition cylinder, but leave it inside at this time. Close the driver's door. Turn the key to on position, but do not start or crank the engine. Turn the key back to off position. Remove the key from the ignition cylinder. Within 3 seconds, the power door locks should automatically cycle on and off, indicating that you have successfully entered the programming mode. This confirms that you should be able to program a new remote for your car. To exit programming mode, simply open the driver's door. Step 3. Buy a new remote. If you are interested, I will provide a link in the description area below where you can buy it from. Step 4. Programming new remote fob. Once you received your new remote, repeat the same steps mentioned above to enter programming mode. Then, within 40 seconds or less, simultaneously press lock and unlock buttons on the brand new remote that you are trying to program for 2 seconds. Release both buttons, and then press and hold the lock button for 2 seconds. The power door locks should automatically cycle on and off once, indicating that you have successfully programmed your new remote. If you are having any issues with the programming, check the comments section below. I will try to answer the most frequently asked questions there. Thanks, and have a nice day.